Hi there and welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Sonya. And today is a very, very special day. I am on my way to pick up my drift car project. I'm so excited, you guys. This is the moment I've been waiting for. But before we go forward with this video, go ahead and pause the video really quick. Go down to that comment section and I want to see your guesses. What car do you think I'm going to be picking up today? Let's get a move on. I have a 4-hour drive. Oh boy. So I came to pick up my tow dolly and turns out the wiring on my car, it doesn't have the brake wire, so they have to do something about it, but they can't work on it right now because there's only one person working. So they're trying to figure out if there's another location I can go to, and hopefully they can help me out. Okay, so the first place I was at said that they could fix my taillight wiring, but they didn't have the parts. So I am here at another U-Haul and hopefully they can fix it and I can be on the road. Okay, so I got the part, but those guys couldn't fix it. I don't know why. So I'm having to run back to the first U-Haul that I was at just to give the guy the part so he can fix it for me. I can't complain because, yeah, he's doing me a favor. He could have just said no, so it's fine. Got it. She's all hooked in. All right, time to officially hit the road. I'm like 2 hours behind on schedule, but it's okay. We got it. Oh my goodness. Oh, but there she is. How long have you had her?
A little over a year.
Over a year?
Yeah, I promise it looks a lot better with the bumper on.
Yeah, I saw the pictures with the bumper.
Yeah.
That's the USDM bumper, right?
Yes.
Okay. It is 1 a.m. I just got home, but yes, she runs and drives. I test drove her. She runs, but she's gonna need so much work. She's got potential though. I know my dog is scratching himself. Hey. I know she's a little on the ugly side, but she has potential, and I have to emphasize this, she is not an SR5. She is a real GTS, which is a huge deal for me. Yeah, and she comes with the 4AG and everything. Oh, yeah. I'm so tired. It is the next day. Before I close out the video, I wanted to show you guys the car while she's running and driving, because I don't think I have a clip of her actually running. Got a box full of parts already over here. The trunk is just filled with parts. All right, first start of the day. Let's see if she'll start up. It's a little cold outside, so she might not start up right away. That's the thing about these old cars is, oh, excuse my voice. That's the thing about these old cars is that they just don't like cold starts, but we'll see. Nope, not having it. Atta girl. I got her started. Oh, this thing is really stiff. It's a manual steering rack, so oh man. I'm gonna need a workout. Starting now. Get in the driveway. There we go. Nice. I'm like shaking. I feel really giddy and oh my goodness. I can't even describe how happy I am right now. Oh, it's so strange, but it's so satisfying. And oh, I'm out of breath. I just drove around the block and I'm just like okay, I'm being weird, I'm being crazy. Yeah, I think I'll just close out the video here. Yeah, so that's my introduction to my drift project, my 8.6, and I have so many ideas. I need to go through, I have a trunk load of parts here, as you saw earlier, but I also have some in my Jeep. My Jeep is full of parts, and so I'm gonna have to go through everything and see where I want to start, because there's just so much I need to do. Oh my gosh, my heart. My heart is racing. Okay. Alright, well, thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing this journey with everyone. And I will see you in the next video.